Christmas season is one of the few periods during the year where we press pause on life's chaos and choose to gather with our beloved ones. Spend some time together decorating, sipping mulled wine, watching Christmas movies. Traditions vary from a family to another. For us, baking the traditional Christmas cake is on our list every single year. This cake is a true discovery. Well, this year we discovered that nutmegs has a shell. Thank God it fell and broke to actually find the true nutmeg. This cake has a very rich, warm taste that we miss all year long. Baking it is a celebration. You would think that it is complicated. I'm not sure whether all the fun and joy I have with my mom while baking makes me forget the endless steps it takes to be done. We start the process 2 weeks before Christmas to be able to spoon whiskey every day over it to keep it moist. Did I mention that it takes endless steps to finish it? It just needs to be covered with layers and layers and layers and layers of sweetness. First, apricot jam. By the way, not all layers are an easy task. Well, at least not for me. We made sure to cover it well with marzipan. The best part is to shape sugar icing like snow.
No!
Oops, we have to wait till Christmas. Hope you liked our Christmas tradition. Share with me yours in the comment box below. You can find the recipe in the description. And if you like this video, show me some love.
And subscribe.